I'm living with hope. Hope that my husband will find justice. Every country that can help, please help, because the people that did that are still out there. And I don't know if their name will ever be out. But at some point, if they find the people that send the money, the people that financially help, I think that they will find the people that give the order. So I will have hope that Jovenel Moise will have justice, and I won't stop asking for justice until justice is found.
Was he aware that perhaps something was going on?
No, he wasn't aware, because if he was, I think he could change something in his security. He would do something. I don't know that he knew. As you know, as a president that was fighting corruption, he has a lot of enemies, so he has a lot of plots in the past. And I didn't think that he knew that that was something serious. I want to run for president. The focus first, it's me and my kids. But I won't let the vision of the president die with him.